Folks, in this short video, I want to introduce you to PASCAL Delivers. It is a service that looks just like Wofford OneSearch, but it is a service by which you can search all of the college and university libraries in South Carolina for books and films, physical items, in other words. PASCAL Delivers does include hundreds of thousands of electronic books. But all of those electronic books that the PASCAL libraries, the South Carolina libraries purchase together are in Wofford OneSearch. So if you're looking for ebooks, Wofford OneSearch is your better place to go because Wofford OneSearch includes the ebooks we have with PASCAL and includes the ebooks that Wofford purchases on its own. Let me show you how easy it is to search PASCAL Delivers. I'm going to go to our library's homepage. I'm going to show you how students usually come to use PASCAL. You can click right here on PASCAL Delivers to search PASCAL directly, and you would search it just as you're accustomed to searching Wofford OneSearch. But let me show you how students typically realize that they need to use PASCAL Delivers. So I'm going back to Wofford OneSearch here in the top left-hand corner. I'll use a real-life example. A student came to me recently. He said, "Tim, I cannot find this one book about Sinclair Lewis." The student was doing research on the author, Sinclair Lewis. He said the book is Sinclair Lewis, Rebel from Main Street. So the student did the search in Wofford OneSearch and came up with 6 results. Wofford OneSearch is finding resources by or about Sinclair Lewis, but none of them is the book the student needed. And so all the student needed to do is come up here to PASCAL Delivers and simply toggle over. Say, I want to search PASCAL Delivers. Search can stay the same. You click search. And PASCAL Delivers brings up what it has. And there at the top is Sinclair Lewis, Rebel from Main Street. So you can check for availability or click on the title. Let me click on the title to let you see the full record. You have citation, permalink, email, as you're accustomed to seeing with Wofford OneSearch. Here, if you click other PASCAL libraries, you'll see all of the libraries that have this book. You could go to one of those libraries if you wanted to. But if you want to request the book to have delivered to you here at Wofford College, and that delivery takes only 4 business days, it doesn't matter which libraries have it. PASCAL will select a library at random to provide the book for you. All you need to do is come to this sign in, click sign in, click My Wofford Login. You're prompted for your Wofford email address. You click next. You enter your My Wofford credentials or your password. You're then asked how should the password for this session be sent to you. I usually request to have it texted to me. And so that code is sent to you within seconds. So I enter that code, I click verify. And then you come here to this PASCAL Delivers, you click on that. And you come down here, you check the copyright notice, and then you click send request. And within seconds, you receive an email saying PASCAL has received your request and will be processing it. You receive another email when the book arrives at Wofford College. No limit on the number of items you request through PASCAL. I'm going to stop sharing here. No limit, and you have the item for 3 weeks. You may return it before then if you care to, but you simply bring the item back to this library and we send it to the library that sent it to you. If at the end of the 3-week loan period you want to extend to say use it further, no trouble there. You just let this library know that you like to extend your loan, and that almost always is possible. One more thing to think about with regard to Pascal, sometimes students will find in Walford OneSearch an ebook and will get the chapter or two needed, but then they'll want to read the entire thing, and they may not want to read the entire book online. So in that case, you're always free to request a print copy through Pascal Delivers. Folks, thanks for your attention. You take care. I look forward to seeing you in the library.